Children, let's begin with chapter 1, our body parts. Children, can you tell me your body parts? Yes, eyes, hands, legs, heart, brain, etc. Now children, let's begin with the starter of this chapter. Which of these activities help us to keep our body parts fit? Put a tick on them and discuss about each of these activities. So children, you know what you have to do in this? You have to put tick mark on the activities which are healthier and that keeps you fit. Okay. So in the first picture, what you can see is a boy is watching television sitting very closely. So it is wrong. You should not sit very close to the television as it affects our eyes. Second is a boy is cycling. It is healthier for you. It keeps your body fit. So it is good. Third is a girl is brushing her teeth. It is also good for you as it keeps your teeth healthy. We should brush our teeth twice a day. And in the fourth picture, a boy is putting his pencil in his ear. It is wrong. We should never do such activities. Now children, moving further, in this chapter, our body parts, we will cover the following topics, that are external body parts, means the body parts which we can see from outside. Next is internal body parts. These body parts are inside our body. Third is people with special needs, means they need something to do certain activities. And fourth is in old age, means a later part of our life when we grow older. Our body is simply amazing. We can do many things with it. There are many organs in our body and each body part has a special function to perform. As you know, we can see with our eyes, we can walk with our legs, we can write with our hands. Okay, we can think with our brain. So, these body parts are further divided into two categories, external body parts and internal body parts. First, we will study about external body parts. The parts that we see from outside are called external body parts, which includes hands, arms, legs, feet, mouth, shoulders and neck. Now we will understand how do these parts help us. We use our arms and hands to eat, paint, write, to lift the things, to hold the things and many more. Our legs and feet help us to move from one place to another. They help us to walk, run, jump, climb, kick and various other things. Now, Factopedia. In the human body, the arms and the legs are also called the upper limbs and the lower limbs respectively. Now, sense organs. All of you know how many sense organs are there? Yes, 5. They are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. They are the external body parts as we can see from outside. Now eyes. They help us to see things. Nose help us to smell different things. The hair in the nose trap the dust particles and help us to breathe in clean air. Ears help us to hear the sounds around us. Tongue help us to taste, chew and swallow food as well as for speech. The 4 common tastes are sweet, sour, bitter and salty. They are also known as taste buds. The new taste to learn is umami. Factopedia. Umami is basically described as savory or meaty taste. Some common foods having umami taste are meat, fish, cheese, mushroom, tomato, broccoli, spinach and peas. Now next is skin. Skin is the largest of all the sense organs. As you can see, skin all around our body. It helps us to feel, sense things. It helps in production of vitamin D in presence of sunlight. Now children, all our sense organs are connected to our brain. They gather information from the surroundings and transfer it to the brain, which is also known as the master organ of our body. Now moving on to the next topic, internal body parts. Now children, the body parts which are inside our body, which we cannot see, are known as the internal organs. They are heart, lungs, brain and stomach. Heart is a reddish brown organ located inside our chest. It pumps blood to all parts of our body. Our heart is about the same size as our closed fist. Lungs. There are 2 lungs present inside our chest. The main function of the lung is the process of gaseous exchange, also called breathing. Next is brain. Our brain lies inside our head. It is covered by a hard bony structure called the skull. The brain controls the functions of all other body parts. See how when you touches a hot object, you immediately senses it is hot. Stomach. Our stomach is a muscular bag-like structure. The main function of the stomach is to break down and digest the food that we eat. Some more internal organs are kidneys, small intestine, liver, large intestine. About these organs you will study in your further classes. Now children, coming on to the next topic, that is people with special needs. That someone requires something to communicate his feelings, or they need help to do certain activities. There are many people in this world who cannot see, speak, hear or walk properly. So these people with special needs are often called differently abled people. They learn to overcome their weakness and lead a normal life. Now children, how can you take care of them? We should spend time with them. We must talk to them in a polite manner and listen to them with patience. We should try to boost their self-esteem and help them to use their abilities. Factopedia. People having mental or physical challenges are called differentially abled because they possess a unique set of abilities. This term recognizes talent and value in everybody. People who cannot see, read, use Braille script. They use a Braille writer for writing. People who cannot hear or speak communicate through sign language. The people who cannot walk use crutches and wheelchairs. Next topic is in old age. Parents, old age means the later part of life. When we will grow older, we will also be a part of old age. Old age weakens the body and makes it frail. When people grow old, they face a number of problems related to their health, fitness, and soundness of mind. They cannot understand the things at once. So we need to express our concern for them by helping them, by listening to them with patience, care for them, respect them, try to understand their emotions and their physical health. Now children, old age home is also there, in which the workers take care of the old people in a home-like atmosphere. Means those who are not living in their homes, they come to the old age homes, and there the workers help them in doing their things. Now, orphans, the children who are not having their parents or who have lost their parents due to some of the reasons, they live in the homes called orphanages. They also need our love and support. We will quickly move on to points to ponder. The body parts that we can see are called external body parts. Sense organs help us to feel and sense things around us. The organs that are found inside our body are called internal organs. Heart, lungs, stomach and brain are some of our internal organs. People with special needs are also called differentially abled people. We should take good care of old people around us. Now children, I hope that you have understood the chapter well. Read it and try to do the exercises on your own. You will be getting the answers of these exercises in the attached PDF. Thank you.